Hello friends, new version of Filmora is out now. It has a lot of new features and one of them is audio ducking, which is a very useful feature when you want to lower the background music automatically while you are talking. Let me show you how it is used. Here you can see I have placed two clips here and below is the background music. Now to enable the audio ducking option, double click on the clip and go to the audio tab. Below you will find the audio ducking option. Check this box. You can also adjust the percentage of lowering the volume of music. Click OK. Do the same with other clip too. Here you can see the difference. Where ducking option is not enabled, the volume of music is automatically turning to normal. So that was all about today. Use this in your videos and make them more effective. Thank you for watching and stay with the channel for more videos about Filmora and other useful softwares. You can click on the link into the description box and download the new version of Filmora. Thank you so much.